Hi, I'm Tina Gupta. I'm from Raleigh, North Carolina. I also have a practice here in Henderson, North Carolina. And the reason that I came to this course was sometimes we get busy in life and kids and marriage, and we don't take some time out to just learn more about dentistry. So I decided, why not? Let's start with 3D printing. It's the cutting edge latest thing in dentistry right now, so why not get on top of it and start seeing what I can do for my patients. Dentistry is going into the digital era, so we need to get with the program. So I'm personally going to buy one this week, especially after taking T-Bone's course this weekend with the 3D printer as well as the intraoral scanner. It's gonna both ideas combine. You know, you need one in order to do the other. To be honest, I'm really excited to print flippers, dentures. Hopefully I'm going to try to get into more surgical guides. That's what I'm really excited about. So my most favorite part of the weekend was the fact that everybody was so approachable. I was able to ask questions. There was no such thing as a dumb question. I personally don't have a lot of experience with this equipment, and I felt like everybody explained everything very, very well. And everybody in the group was from different stages in their career. So to me, that made a lot of sense for the instructors to say more, I guess you could say, explain things better, so that the people who are more unfamiliar with the technology could follow along. I would tell the fellow mommy dentist that you can do it. Nobody puts you in a corner. And let me tell you, it doesn't matter where you start, how you start, but it's time. We need to get into this. We need to learn this technology. We need to better ourselves, for not only for ourselves, but for our patients. So, you know, I took the first step. I'm super excited. I can't wait to get my digital scanner. Can't wait to get my 3D printer. So it's going to be a journey.